In this video, I'm gonna be making an update for my #1 video on YouTube in 2020, which was 1 to 10K followers. Basically, I did an experiment where I started a brand new account and took it from 0 followers to over 10,000 followers in less than 7 days. And you can still do that today. The same principles apply, except there are some changes and some updates because obviously the algorithm has changed and just content on TikTok in general has changed. So I wanted to remake this video because I think it's gonna provide you guys with a tremendous amount of value, especially if you're under 10,000 followers right now. Because by the end of this video, I expect every single one of you guys to have more than 10,000 followers in the next 7 days because trust me, it is definitely possible. And like most things in life, it's incredibly easy. Once you have the blueprint, it's not actually hard work or anything like that. It's super easy. It's just you showing up consistently and actually putting in the work and doing what you need to do in order to be successful on TikTok. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Robert Benjamin. I'm the CEO of helping people grow on TikTok. I made videos about the TikTok algorithm, how to get on the For You page, how to go viral, the best time to post, the best hashtags to use, and so many other things. So please, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Make sure you check out those other videos and please shoot me a text. Here's my number right here. I want to help every single one of you guys grow on TikTok. That's why I've made all of this YouTube content. That's why I answer all of my DMs. That's why I answer a ton of text messages. Not gonna lie, I don't get to them all, but please make sure you text me because you never know. I may FaceTime you out of the blue. I may text you back. You never know what's gonna come there. And people on my text platform find out about things like the videos I'm creating and things like that before anybody else. So please make sure you get into that. So getting 10,000 followers in a week is actually easier than it's ever been before on TikTok. The reason being the TikTok algorithm is way easier to tell you what you need to be creating. In the past, you were kind of just throwing out random stuff and you didn't really know what would work, but I'm about to give you guys the blueprint for what is going to work. In addition to that, in the past, when I first did this experiment, videos on TikTok only trended for a couple hours and then the views would totally die off. Now you guys have videos trending for up to 30 days, which is huge because you're gonna get way more views, you're gonna get way more followers, and it's actually way easier to get a lot of views. And I'm gonna be showing you guys with the blueprints in this video. You really don't even have to get that many views in 7 days in order to get 10,000 followers if you do a few things right. In addition to that, back then it was so easy to get shadow banned and it's actually really hard to do that now. So it's way easier to recreate this experiment now, which is exactly why I wanted to make this video for you guys. So the real key to gaining those 10,000 followers in just 7 days, even if you start from scratch, start from zero, I'm gonna reveal that at the end of the video. For right now, let's get into the things that you guys can control. First and foremost, if you're starting with nothing, you guys need to be posting more on TikTok. The answer is always going to be more when it comes to the beginning. I strongly suggest you need to be posting 3 to 4 times a day in the beginning, and then you wanna up that to 5 to 6, and then to 7 to 8 times. In the past, you were able to post 20 times on TikTok. I think you're not gonna be able to do that now. You're gonna wanna at maximum do 7 to 8 times a day. And again, you wanna make sure it's quality and quantity. You could give up the quantity a little bit, but you guys need to know that the #1 way to get to posting quality TikTok on content is to put out a ton of TikTok content. That is how you get better at creating. That's how you find what's gonna work for you. That's how you gain that 10,000 followers in just a week. That's how you gain 1 million followers in just a week. In fact, my next video that's coming up is somebody that just joined my mentorship program. They went from 2,000 followers to over 700,000 followers. Now they're gonna be at 1 million before the end of the week, probably 1 million before the video comes out. And that all happened within a week because they did one simple thing right that I'm gonna be revealing in my next video. Nevertheless, basically what I want you guys to do for the first 1, 2, 3 days, you wanna be posting 3 to 4 times a day. Find out what really works. Once you find out what works, you wanna bump that up to 5 to 6, and then you wanna bump that up to 7 to 8. So if you're gonna try to replicate this in a 7-day period, you wanna gain the 10,000 followers, you're probably gonna have to put out 50 to 60 pieces of content. Now I know that might seem like a lot, but it's really not, and I'm gonna be sharing with you guys secrets in a little bit to make that actually not be that much content at all. In addition to that, if you're under 10,000 followers, you need to be following every single person that likes and comments on your stuff. You guys need to be following them. You need to be engaging with the people that are actually engaging with you. So many people make the mistake in the beginning. They'll follow random people or they'll go follow Charlie's followers or something like that. Do not do that. Put out content, get better at creating content, and engage with those people that are engaging with you. If you're under 10,000 followers and right this second you are not blocked from following more people on TikTok, you're doing something terribly wrong. Now, no, I'm not saying to make it seem like you're a bot, but you do need to be following every single person that likes and comments on your stuff. Do it in spurts throughout the day. When you're going to the bathroom, when you're brushing your teeth, when you're doing whatever mindless activity. Do not do it while you're driving, and definitely don't do it while you're watching this video. But when you're doing mindless things throughout the day, make sure you do that in between classes. Make sure you do that in between Zoom calls if you work. You guys need to make sure that you're doing that because you guys need to be giving back and engaging with the people that are engaging with you. It's gonna be the quickest way for those people to follow you back, and it's not like those BS follow, unfollow things. It's actually you just engaging with the people that are engaging with you. Before I tell you guys, the next thing you need to do, please do me a huge favor. Go follow this creator right here. For one of you guys that goes and follows them and tags me in their last post, you're gonna be entered to win a shout out in my next YouTube video. So, like I said earlier, in the 7 days, you're probably gonna wanna put out 50 to 60 pieces of content. Again, that's gonna be incredibly easy if you're using stitches, you're using duets, using reposts, you're using the green screen scan and other things that I'm gonna mention later in the video. But again, that 50 to 60 pieces of content, it's really not gonna be that much when you take into consideration all the shortcuts you're gonna take that are actually gonna help you get more followers than somebody that didn't take those shortcuts. And if we stick to my 10% like to follower ratio or follower to like ratio, whatever it is, for every 10 likes that you have, you should get 1 follower on TikToks. So we're gonna assume that you get around a 30% like to view ratio. So you really don't even need that many views on your content, like 300,000 views on your content. I would say 300,000 to 500,000 would be safe in the 7-day period. And that's gonna be incredibly achievable if you're putting out 50 to 60 pieces of content and you're reposting what works, you're duetting other videos that are really good, and you're stitching viral videos. So now that you're on board, you know how many times you're gonna have to be posting, you know some of those tactical things that you need to be doing. Let's get into the other things that are gonna really matter within your content if you wanna gain this many followers in just 7 days. The first one is you need to be incentivizing engagement in every single post. In the last 3 seconds of every single video, you need to be getting people to click that plus sign or getting people to follow you. If you do it in one post and it didn't work, well then guess what? One of two things happened. Either first, nobody's watching the video all the way through, in which case you need a better hook, you need better videos, or you weren't incentivizing engagement and your call to action just wasn't good enough. But the good news is with both those things and all the content you're gonna be putting out, you can make changes to that on the fly. And trust me, when you find something that works when it comes to a call to action or incentivizing engagement, you're gonna know because your notifications are gonna go crazy. So the key to getting people to actually watch your video is to really hook them in the first 3 seconds and give them a reason to watch. Again, the same thing with the call to action or incentivizing engagement. You need to be giving them a reason to do that. It's gotta be a strong, compelling reason, a really good reason for why they're gonna do that. The same thing goes for why somebody's gonna watch a video. But I'm gonna give you a hack on this. You guys want to be doing 3 things. Either first, duetting other viral videos. Secondly, stitching other viral videos. Third, completely modeling your content after content that is already done well in your niche. The reason being, that's gonna take care of the hook for you. That's gonna take care of really good content for you. And really the only thing you have to do at that point is just make it a little bit better and incentivize engagement. And you're gonna be able to take advantage of everybody else that's in your niche, all of their followers, all the work that they've already put in, all the content they've already created, and be able to extract those followers and bring them over to you and let them know your message. Let them know what product you have to sell. Let them join your community. Because at the end of the day, I know all you guys are on TikTok to build that community, to get those followers, to start that business. And this is exactly how you're gonna do it if you're starting at the ground level. The biggest mistakes that people make on TikTok in the beginning is first, they're not giving people a reason to watch. Secondly, they're not giving people a reason to follow them. Third, they're looking at the wrong analytics. And then finally, they're not actually doing what is trending. And the way to fix all of this, especially number 1, 2, and 4 in that statement, is by modeling yourself after success, hopping on those niche specific trends, hopping on those post specific trends on TikTok that are going on this day. I made so many videos about how to find out what's trending on TikTok, both within your niche and just generally post specific on TikTok. So please make sure you watch that video after this one. I don't want to go super in depth with it because then this video is going to take 30 or 40 minutes to me to actually go through all of that. Just know that that is what you need to be doing in your content, and that is going to automatically give you a really good hook. It's going to automatically make people watch your video. It's going to automatically get your content pushed out on the For You page, and then your job is just to convince them, provide them with enough value, whether that be laughter, whether that be a really good dance, whether that be really good information, and then extract that follow from them. Now, when I say stuff like this, so many people have a hesitation. They say, Rob, I don't want to hop on the trends. What you need to realize, TikTok is not like Twitter. It's not like Instagram. It's not like Facebook. It's not like YouTube. TikTok is all about the trends. That is all that it's about. All the big creators on TikTok, and I'm going to be showing you guys this in my next video, they do the same thing over and over again. Once they find a trend that works, they do it over and over again. This means reposting it, using the same sound, using the same hashtags, doing the same post type, duetting the same person, stitching the same person, and continuing that over and over again, making small tweaks to it, which again, I'm going to really highlight in my next video. But you guys need to realize that is how people blow up on TikTok. You don't blow up on TikTok by making a totally original piece of content every single time. Few and far people do that. And honestly, that's not the way that the majority of big creators on TikTok or even small creators that have seen some success got there. They got there by modeling themselves after success. So please get this through your skull. It's going to make it so much easier for you to grow on TikTok. And it's essential if you want to go from literally nothing to 10,000 followers in just 7 days. To sum all this up, if you want to gain 10,000 followers in the next 7 days, here's what you need to do. 1, creating a really good volume of content. 2, modeling your content after what has already been successful for other people, and that's going to be one of the most important things that you could do. And then 3rd, incentivizing engagement and engaging with those people that are engaging with you, because again, you have to build up that core fan base that's going gonna continue to like you, follow you, tell their friends about you, tag their friends in your comments, do all of these things that are really gonna allow you to grow. Because at the end of the day, guys, growing on social media actually comes down to doing word of mouth at scale. You want everybody that views one of your videos to send it in their group chat, to post it on their Instagram, to show their grandma, to show their mom, and that's how you guys really get that scalability behind it that otherwise would never happen and would never allow you on any other platform to go from 0 to 10,000 followers, but it is totally possible on TikTok. I've literally seen millions of people do it, from 12-year-old kids to 90-year-old grandmas, of every make, every background, every niche, so it's totally possible for you too. That being said, I do think you would find tremendous value in doing two other things. First, checking out the rest of the videos on my account, and then secondly, getting into my mentorship program. If you're still watching this video, it's clear you're ready to invest, you're really ready to start growing on TikTok, and my mentorship program is the perfect thing for you. It guarantees that I can help you grow on TikTok in the next 30 days. If not, you get your money back. You literally have nothing to lose. You're either gonna get growth on TikTok or your money back. You can't get your money back from college, but I'm guaranteeing that I'm gonna either give you results or get your money back. The way that it works, you're gonna join, you're gonna go through a 6-step course, you're gonna get a personalized plan from me that's gonna tell you exactly what to do on your account, what time to post, what kind of content to make, what you need to be critiquing in your account already, and then every 48 hours, I'm gonna check in with you, I'm gonna hold you accountable and make sure that you're doing the right things and tell you what to do in order to improve your content, or tell you what to stop doing because it's really hurting your account. And after the 30 days, you're either going to, again, see a tremendous amount of growth or get your money back, no questions asked. If you're interested in that, go to the link in the description. I really think it's gonna help you out. If not, again, check out these videos over here, check out these videos over here. I cannot wait to see you in my next video.